Motmots have a taste for reptiles. These visual hunters scan for prey with acute vision, highly attuned to movement. So this anole lizard better tread carefully. Whenever she freezes, the Motmot can't see her, but she can see him. Her sight has special properties too. Side-oriented eyes give almost a 360-degree surveillance, and they're sensitive to the ultraviolet spectrum, intensifying the contrast and color of the Motmot's plumage. But she can't stand still forever. So when the Motmot looks away, the lizard moves. Just a little. Nothing to see here. It's like they're playing red light, green light. One wrong step could be fatal. But now, there's nowhere left to run. The Motmot is a sit-and-wait predator, but this is clearly no ordinary lizard. She has an unbelievable escape strategy, so recently discovered that it's never been filmed before now. Tiny bubbles trapped between water-repellent scales join up and rise towards her head. A secret scuba system, allowing her to breathe underwater. This ingenious lizard can stay submerged for over 18 minutes. Long enough for even the most patient Motmot to concede defeat. And for the little lizard to emerge victorious.